Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I made a charcuterie board and I wanted to show you all how I made these. I was using vegan cheeses. These are from Whole Foods. These are perfect for a cheese board because they are soft cheeses. I got these crackers from Aldi's. I'm going to add some olives to the board. I got these at Costco. And I'm also making a non-vegan cheese board, and these are olives with feta cheese inside. Here's a soft cheddar cheese from Aldi's. And here's a variety of cheeses from Costco. This one here is a cheddar. I'm also going to add a little bit of peach jam for something sweeter. I also mixed a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette and garlic. And here are some cookies. These are fudge stripe cookies. They are sold at Aldi's and they are vegan. And a few golden Oreos. Hey everyone, so today I am going to be dyeing my hair blue.
You're always talking about leaving, milk carton, black and white face, smile vacant for the picture, parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you? Oh, my mouth on fire, drowning in your holy water.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a TJ Maxx and Ross haul. So this was a completely unexpected haul. I try and plan them so that I don't spend too much money, but do you ever go into a store thinking I don't ever find anything here, and then immediately that's when you find 20 items as soon as you walk in the door? Yeah, that's what happened. The first thing that I found at TJ Maxx was this sweater. I love turtlenecks. I love any sort of fall fashion, just cozy clothing. So yeah, this is a turtleneck, but it's half white, half black. I'm actually wearing another one of the turtlenecks that I found. I found the white and black one and this black one. They're both Calvin Klein and a size medium. There's a little charm thing on it, which I was kind of worried because I don't like any sort of flashy labels or tags on my clothing, but this does not really stand out because, as you can tell with this, it kind of bunches or just folds like at the bottom naturally, so it's not like ever really, you know, blinging out. They were $17 each. I honestly don't think it's too bad of a price. So the plain white turtleneck that I bought on ASOS was about $12, but there's something about this one that's just, the material is really soft and the actual neck part is a different material than the shirt. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really stretchy and comfortable. The other thing that I found was another turtleneck, French Connection, and it's this orange turtleneck. This color just reminds me of fall. I got a blazer that was in this color, and it just immediately makes me think of fall. So the next thing I got was actually this pair of pants. These are, I just must have gotten really lucky because I wasn't able to try anything on, of course, so I just kind of went with what I thought I was, and this is a size 8. The waistline, the waist is all elastic, so it fits really well, and it's loose, it's like, and it's roomy, so I can eat. But these actually fit really nice, and I never buy any sort of like lighter colored pants because, I mean, black is just more slimming, so I always felt like my legs, like my bottom half I guess, was like bigger than my top half, so I'd want that to be a darker color. So yeah, I was really surprised that I really love the way these look. These were $20, and they were also Calvin Klein. So one more thing from TJ Maxx, I got these bathroom towels. Is this. Yes, but I mean, you could like put some garlic or onions in this, or like a single egg. Like, you could use this. The other two things that I got were cutting boards. This one was $5.99. The set of 3 was also $5.99. You may have seen the resin cutting boards where it's like blue and white, and then it looks like a wave like on the cutting board. So I'm gonna try and do that. So a little bonus, my boyfriend got this for our bathroom to decorate.
It's fall, y'all.
And he also got this Champion, which I'm just gonna include in my haul because I'm gonna wear his clothes. He got this Champion crew neck, which is really cute. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I try and post every Thursday, so yeah. Bye.